My name is Anushri and I've done the Matrix Re-imprinting course with Dr. Rangana. And I think that it's a very intense and profound course because what I have experienced is that it has really changed me over time as a person. And I used to struggle with a lot of low confidence and not trusting myself and indecisiveness. And over time, all of that has gone away. And I have come to really start trusting myself and believing in myself. And I really would recommend everyone to do this because no matter what you're going through in life, at one point, it's amazing to just meet your true self and to know your own truth. So I would just say, just go ahead and do it anyway.